Hello everyone, my name is Kuhu Saraf and I am here to talk about the mechanism of a camera. Let's forget the camera for a split second and imagine ourselves going to a party in a particular society. Now you are entering the society. The very first thing that you see is the gate. So the gate, what the gate basically is doing is it is controlling the amount of people that are coming in the society. Similarly, for our camera, the aperture is the gate. The aperture controls the amount of light that is coming in the camera. The aperture also influences the depth of field. Depth of field is the sharpness or the clarity of an image. Now imagine as if the gate is very wide and there are a lot of people coming in. It might happen at the party that the focus is curated to the VIPs or the friends of the host. But if the gate is narrower, there are few people who are coming in and therefore everyone is sharp and clear. Similarly, for the aperture, the wider the aperture, focus is curated to the object up front and the background becomes blur. But if the aperture is narrower, the focus or the sharpness of the image increases. It becomes pretty clear. Now this is not a very modern society, so the gate does not open by itself. There is a guard which operates the gate. Our guard is the shutter. The guard opens and closes the gate. It controls the duration of time through which the gate would be open. Similarly, for our camera, the guard is the shutter. The shutter controls the duration of time through which the light is exposed on the sensor. As you are entering this big society, you pass the gate which is operated by the guard and you are in this big society and you are all confused where to go. Then you remember you have an invitation card. On that invitation card, there is the address of the house or the party hall you have to go to. The address focuses your brain to the particular party hall. Similarly, our invitation card for a camera is our lenses. The lenses focus the light rays that are coming through to a particular place. Now you've reached this particular place, the party hall, and you're not the only one, there are other people with you as well. All of them went through the same process. They came into the gate, which is our aperture, which was operated by the shutter, which controlled the duration through which it would be open or closed, and they were focused to that invitation, which is our lens right here. So at the party hall, all of them are together. So our party hall is our sensor. So what basically happens at the sensor? The sensor collects all the light rays that are coming through. Now you are at the party hall, but there is no vibe in the party. You need music to dance, you need music to vibe to. So the DJ is the one who creates the vibe of the party, makes the party lively. So for a camera, our DJ is the ISO sensitivity. ISO sensitivity is basically the ability of your camera to capture light. Now the DJ controls the dullness or the liveliness of the party. Similarly, ISO sensitivity is a numerical value, and higher the ISO sensitivity, higher is the vibe or the brightness. But at the same time, if it is too high, like the volume of the DJ, if it is too high, the party would be bright and lively, but it would also have some noise. You are in the party and you have enjoyed yourself a lot and you come out of the party. Now you have those gossip talks with your friend after the party, whatever has happened at the party, you discuss it with your friends. So in technical terms, you are basically analyzing whatever has happened at the party. So in a camera, the image processor is the after party talks that you do with your friends. It basically takes the light into electrical signals and therefore converts that into digital images. The quality of a camera or the quality of party depends on two major things: the people that are coming in and the DJ. So for a camera, the aperture, the shutter speed and the ISO sensitivity, it controls the quality and the overall brightness of an image. To summarize, you are entering this party and the very first thing that you see is the gate. The aperture is the gate which controls the amount of light that is coming in. The gate, as I said, is operated by a guard, and the guard is the shutter right here. It controls the duration of the light that is coming through. The invitation card, which focuses you to the particular place you have to go. The lens is the invitation card, which focuses the rays of light that are coming through to the particular sensor. Your sensor is the party hall where you are at, where every light ray which is coming from the object meet, and the vibe of the party, the brightness of the party, controlled by the ISO sensitivity, that is the DJ. And the after party talks or the after party gossips are the image processor, which convert the light into electrical signal and therefore into a digital image. So there is an equation which goes the aperture plus the shutter speed plus the ISO sensitivity is equal to the overall brightness or the quality of the image. Thank you.